So today we're talking about pennies and drops of water on the penny.
That's right. Now the challenge today is that can you take the eyedropper, fill it with water, put the penny on a flat surface, and then see how many drops of water you can drop on the penny without the dome of water collapsing. When it collapses, you're done.
Now this is a perfect demonstration to use with, or perfect activity to use with the PEOE. Get your students to predict how many drops of water they can actually put on top of a penny. Have them have the class discussion, debate on how many pennies they estimate they can get on there and their reasons why. So they go through the prediction, they make an explanation for that prediction, we have a discussion just like scientists do, and then voting on it before they actually get a chance to conduct the experiment.
Or you can use this as part of your steps to inquiry and actually have the kids develop an investigation. You might say to them, what do you observe and what's the difference between the two pennies that we have here and the pennies that they find around the classroom? If you'll notice these two pennies, one is very bright and shiny, it's a 2009 penny, the other one's 10 years older and it's a little darker. And you can ask them, okay, make some observations about all the pennies around the classroom and how they differ. And what they'll come up with are things like one's dirtier than the other one has a higher rim on the edge of the penny, you've got tails up instead of heads up, it could be an American penny versus a Canadian penny. All these factors are involved. And what you can do to them, what you can say to them at this point is, all right, come up with a testable question, something that you can test, and you can design an investigation around it. So maybe they'll come up with an example would be, does a dirty penny hold more drops of water than a clean penny? Or does the head side up matter more than the tail side up when you're doing this?
Yeah. This one lends it, this is, I would say, is a very good to do both. Raise the interest level and the anticipation level doing the PEOE, and then then run them through the steps of inquiry where they design all of their own experiment to find out if they can even get more drops than they did originally by, as Mike was just saying, by looking at the different types of penny or the penny they choose, or looking at maybe adding something, oil or soap or something like that added to the surface of the penny. But again, if it's their ideas, they're more apt to be engaged there and complete the experiment.
For example, one of the things that somebody came up with that I didn't even think of was, what if you use a different liquid instead of water?
All kinds of opportunity. Very simple, little routine, little activity. It costs pennies to run.